DJN TV.
Militants also say they could stop oil supply to the north. My correct person will sabi every hello. I welcome you to another edition of DJN TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel where they give you all the correct news, the way they happen for inside Nigeria and all around the world. The matter where they go and be saying Nigeria Delta militants don't threaten to shut down oil supply to the north sake of the food diversion when the north they do. You know, say they never to take when they issue warning, say they're not going to bring food items from the north, they come south again. As a matter of fact, if everything a joke until when people call the video, the whole situation, they come from the north where they stop trailers where they carry tomatoes, onions, pepper, cow, all those things they come the south. The people they stop this also, they just say because they demand for a 450 million naira compensation sake of the Shasha market where it burn and government never give them. Say because of that one, and they allow any trailer carry load from north come this side. Rather, they don't begin to divert and go countries like Cameroon and Niger. Now, because of this one now the Niger Delta militant youth, they call come outside say, make government and the north, when they listen to them, say that they give northern merchants, the traders, 30 days ultimatum to reverse the diversion of food supply. What they do so? Say if not, them go cut all the oil and gas supply to the north. They say don't make up their minds. Say for the various, because of the various roles there and the different words there, where people they talk for the Oga Bubu government, say make federal government, make they immediately arrest Sheikh Guma, the Bauchi state government, and Bala Mohammed. They talk say these people then, they cause wahala for the country. They say for the avoidance of any doubt, say no ethnic group or geopolitical zone for this country get monopoly of violence. That's what everybody they craze. You know, get who not the craze. Everybody who did their body. So because say one side they show and the other side they say not to show, they are not miss say people undermine the second part. They say that they are aware, say the northerners all begin to stop the movement of food items to the southern part of the country. So they give the northerners 30-day ultimatum to withdraw that threat. Otherwise, we go say they go retaliate by cutting off all the oil supply pipeline. All those pipelines where they supply oil and gas to the entire north. So they go cut them off and they go block all the tankers where they load products from south to north. Say and in addition, they go make sure say all the oil licenses them wey belong to the northerners, they forcefully revoke them after the expiration of the 30-day ultimatum. The coordinator of the Niger Delta Watchdog, General John Duku, and 12 others for the coalition, they don't frown, don't squeeze their face on top of the recent talk there, suggestion there. Also, people from some big men for the northern part of the country they give, say make northerners, make they arm themselves with AK-47, make they ready to defend themselves. They say Sheikh Guma and Governor Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, now they say the blacks and the be the financier of banditry and ethnic criminality for the country. They also condemn all form of negotiation with bandits. Say why government they negotiate with bandits? Government go negotiate with gun carrying herdsmen, kidnappers, boko. Government go negotiate with them, and how these people they terrorize innocent citizens for the country. In fact, the no say at a point check Gumi come as I got to say there's no difference between boko and militants there. Say in fact militants I teach all these herdsmen they had to do wake things them. Now the coalition don't come as I got to say in fact they very wrong to compare them with bandits, with boko boys and with herdsmen. Say because these people with their names, so they pursue any just cause. Say they are just to move people, scatter things, destroy everywhere for the country. Say Niger Delta militants over the years, wetin make dem dey agitate, dey do all those things wey dey do at times na because dem don dey subjected to suffering and discrimination and deprivation for their own land. And dem dey carry their resources, dey carry their oil, dey go develop other regions of the country, yet dem dey suffer for their own land. Say e dey out of place to seek amnesty for people wey dey kpoof people and people wey dey catch innocent children wey go school and citizen, say because some militants in the Niger Delta dey give dem form of amnesty despite all the negotiation for the release of the kidnapped persons and payment of ransom. Say the way dis people still dey kidnap for road, e don dey on the increase sef. Say e come be like say the more you dey give dem money, the more dem dey kidnap. Dem don talk say for Sheikh Gumi to accept in the first place to dey negotiate with terrorists, say dis terrorists wey be enemy of the country, and Sheikh Gumi dey even dey recommend say make government grant the criminals amnesty for no just or reasonable cause. E say dat one mean say dis guy na part of the people wey dey disturb the country. E say in fact the Sheikh Gumi sef dey bugagi journalists, dey vex of journalists wey dey report all the activities of these people. Say why dem say Sheikh Gumi come dey call journalists wey dey report this issue, dey call them criminals for the fact say dey stress on the criminality of the bandits. I know say I don speak Okpoyibo, the thief and kpake of the bandits wey journalists dey report. Sheikh Gumi dey call all those journalists, dey say they be criminal. Say even the acclaimed leader of the bandits, they even dey call themselves leader of terrorists. Say wetin make Sheikh Gumi dey come form like say all those people dey be innocent, they don't know what they are doing, and because they no get hospital, and because they no go school, na make dem dey do wetin they do. He said that he don carefully watch wetin Sheikh Gumi and this governor of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed, and even the ex-governor Issa Yuguda, wetin they don talk concerning these things wey concern the kpaking of innocent citizens to make money. Say e dey very clear say dem dey use the federal government take dey thief the country commonwealth. Say cause say the federal government dey led by one of their own person. You understand? So say even the way Sheikh Gumi dey talk now, so they suggest say na him be the grand patron and the major financier of the banditry group for inside Nigeria. Many people don come outside come react towards this wey Niger Delta militants talk say they go block oil supply to the north because of the foodstuff wey dem dey block. Somebody don come say no be say north dey withhold or dey reject the south with their food item. Say the thing wey north basically dey talk be say make the southerners come by themselves, pay transport come north, come buy the food items, dem make dem only dey carry am go back. Say cause say insecurity dey the road and dem no go fit dey suffer all these bandits for road, kidnapping and all these things for road because dem wan carry their goods from north come south. Another person don come outside come talk say this guy wey dey see so here, he don come talk say really no be say he like wetin the north dey do. He talk say dem no go carry foodstuffs come south. Say but make south make dem no retaliate na. He say e no make sense for the north to block food delivery supply to the south, or for the south to block fuel tankers from traveling to the north. Say as Nigerians, we should ease the tension between us, not to exacerbate it. I don't know what that English big well. Say make we not blow out of proportion. That's what they talk. Say make we do all we go fit do to reduce the friction between the south and the north. Meanwhile, Oga Rino don come out and say even like this food supply wey dey block to the north sef, say even good. Food supply dey block to the south, he say e good. He say because southerners, our own just dey enjoy. We fit carry 2 million go club or go bar, we blow the money finish, buy drinks, do everything. We no go even think of how we take make the money back. Say but the northerners, they ready to that same money, they carry go buy land, plant enough goods wey go fit wey say by harvest season when they go harvest, although they no fit even chop am finish, dem come begin dey sell am dey come this side. Then now the doctor say no wan give us their food again with the shout. Say make we no shout o, make we just find way wey be like say we take go plant for our side so that we sef go get food supply. Meanwhile, the Nigerian army don deploy military agents, army officials, security agencies dem to the road wey dem dey block so make this foodstuff no dey come to the south. They don go like the Jaba Kaduna road. They don go there go clear the road so that the trailer fit dey move. Now the effect of this blockage be say as presently, so as they report this news they give una so, foodstuffs wey dey come from the north don begin dey very expensive for the south. Don dey very very expensive right now sake of say enough no dey enter as the thing want make e enter. In fact, they don even begin dey divert the foodstuff dey go Cameroon and many product manufacturers say una dey divert all these tomatoes and pepper dey go Cameroon. Meanwhile, Cameroon dey find how they carry their own cost sell for Nigeria. As they tell you say Cameroon get more than enough, una dey divert the foodstuff dey go that side. Another person don say make una leave them o, make dem dey do their own. Say they don forget say tomatoes dey spoil, pepper dey spoil. They no carry am come south, nobody go buy. The thing go spoil. Say we south sef e good for us. Make we say open our eye, make we learn how to plant so that we go dey self-sufficient for food matter. Make nobody use food take dey threa ten us inside the country. You see am so. So the Niger Delta Minister don talk say they don give government, they don give the north 30-day ultimatum. 30 days na they give the counter 30 days ultimatum to stop that thing wey dem dey do say make foodstuffs no enter south. Well, my better person, how you see this matter? E make sense abi? Abi e no make sense? Say okay, we no carry food come south. South say we no go give una oil. E make sense abi e no make sense? Chook mouth put for the matter. Drop your comment for the comment section. And make you not forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update. Abeg, if you never subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe. Then make you touch that bell wey dey near the subscribe label there. As you touch the bell, anytime we will drop hot and ogbonge story like this, you will be among one of the first persons to know say story wey go sweet you don land. Make you not forget to like and also to share this video. And then not forget to follow us on all our social media handles. We dey on Facebook, we dey on Twitter, we dey on Instagram at DJM TV. Well, until we come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. My name na Lawuro Favour, and I dey tell you to say no man be island. We need each other to survive. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.